everybody. I may and also I may be sounding a little bit different because I'm using a mic finally. So today we're playing realmcraft, which is literally being shown over here, right over here. Okay, do this one. Okay, worlds. Future Tripolis. Oh yeah, this is the world that I burned down. I burned the school down. Okay, downtown area. Oh, this looks like a better city to me. Download Minecraft. No, it's $6.99. Destroy my house. Oh gosh, what's this? Where's the fire at? I'm gonna take a little building. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, cool. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna make a little lemon as well. Visa. Hey, watch this, bro. Hello. I think that's concrete. Concrete. What? Hello? I'm out of here. I'm gonna make a tunnel. Oh yeah, I should probably use a tool. Why are you out here? I just like the soup. I know it's very heavy, and I'm just speedrunning this. Is he gone yet? I'll just go back to my digging. That's what that was. Okay. I think I should probably stop that way. Okay. Where have I give some grass, meaning that I might be inland? Where is that? And bruh, I just made a tunnel all the way up there. See? And then, hello there, mate. I just made a tunnel for you. I'm gonna go. Okay. Okay. Okay, go there. I cannot see it. What the hell is that? What the? Is it just me or am I seeing this in all of you? Who said that, man? Bro, what's wrong with whoever made that something? Oh, that's cool. How deep is this tunnel? Jeez, bro. I've just made an underground tunnelway system. No! My tunnel gone, bro. What does always happen? Really, my whole tunnel. Where the hell have I just stuck to? I'm going back now. I'm going this path now. Imagine if this whole video was just about me making a tunnel. I'm going back to the city now. Where the hell am I? Did I just slide in a whole tree, bro? Wait a minute. Oh, cool. Whoever built this took like 50,000 years to build it. Like, look how many trees there are. Oh, that looks... I'm gonna explore this city. Breaking the glass just reminds me of Cranerd. Is he always having to break the glass? Wait a minute, I have an idea. This is my my favorite thing that Cranerd always says. Just watch this. Cranerd, if you're watching this, I know you know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. I just no. Welcome, mate. It's my car. This is my car now. Bored. This is my car now. Oh god, my mic just fell off. Oh, okay, I'm going this way. I'm so bad at driving. Don't mind me, I'm just in a boat. What am I doing? Wee. Wee. Yeah, I'm gonna say something sad. Don't mind me, don't mind me. I'm in a boat. This bro. Oh yeah, you can see that I changed my nickname to Emerald Bones Gaming. If you want, you can just call me Emerald. That's my nickname, Emerald. Don't call me Bones, just see Emerald. Minecraft. Is that a Minecraft? Yeah. Hey. My car. Hey, what if I try? I know this doesn't work in normal Minecraft, but does it work in this version since it does wheels? I know cars don't exist in Minecraft. I'm to see what a carpet. A boat. Boat time. Okay. Board. I don't understand how this boat is legit comes there. It's like it's a little car. It's like a skateboard. No man, I'm on a boat. Ha. Ow, my ear. Okay, go. Don't tell me it's an ad. Oh, thank God. What are they even doing? I don't know what they're doing. We have an idea. And I had to risk it for the biscuit. Why? I am in that. Also, for some reason, they don't have leggings in this game. They just call it. They have kneecaps. Like, look, armor. What's my armor? Okay. So, armor. Okay. Now watch this. Diamond need pads. And also the good old boat. Wait a minute, man. You thinking what I'm thinking? Shield. Shield. Then. Okay, now the sword. Yay, finally. How do I look like? Hey, bro. No. I'm in the boat riding. In nah. That's just my friend, but not my. That's not my friend's name too. That's not okay. Don't mind that. I'm on a boat. And I'm a soldier. I'm in the boat. I guess that's it for today, guys. Bye.